Today's adventure is taking us to Abbott Ridge. The kids are 6 weeks old now, and we decided to go for a little hike. And we're being joined on this journey with the male model, Brian Leachman. The trailhead itself starts at the Ill Silhouette Campground, which is just west of the Rogers Pass summit between Golden and Revelstoke. The hike itself is a bit of a grind. You basically do switchbacks the entire way to the top. For the first couple hours, you're nestled in the trees, out of the sun. You do, however, pass one little lake on the way up. And here's some more specific trail details. After a couple hours, you get above the tree line, the views open up, and this trail really starts to shine. The views really are unbeatable. All you see is just mountain peak after mountain peak, glacier after glacier. It actually is quite breathtaking. You'll pass a hut and a little tarn lake right here. Once you leave the tarn, you curl up onto the spine and walk the ridge into the top. You cross over some boulder fields, and here you'll meet an end of trail sign. There's nothing stopping you from going further up the ridge. However, you may need your hands to get through some sections, and it is a sheer drop on either side.